Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Muhammad Ihtifazuddin from 12 Science 5. Today I will make a video about explanation text. Let's enjoy it. Well, before I discuss about the text, let me tell you what is explanation text. Explanation text is a text that explains about the process or sequence of phenomena. There are two types of explanation text: sequential and cause and effect. And then, what is the purpose of explanation text? The explanation text is written to explain how and why something, natural or socio-cultural phenomena in the world happen. The text contains the process or sequence of the phenomena. And then, what are the generic structures of explanation text? The generic structures of explanation text consist of three components. The first one, a title, and then the second one, the general statement. This is stating the phenomena or issues which are being explained. And then the last one, explanation, stating the series of steps which explain the issues or phenomena. Let's continue to the text. Tsunami. Have you ever heard that word? Well, I will explain you what is tsunami and what does it happen. Tsunami is a natural disaster caused by the increasing waves of the sea to land with a high swiftness as the consequence of the quake which is centered under the sea. The quake can be caused by land erosion, shift plate, an erupted volcano, as well as a meteorite that falls in the ocean. Tsunami usually happens if the size of the earthquake exceeds until 7 on the Richter scale. This tsunami is quite dangerous, mainly for those who live around the beach. With great force, it will sweep out whatever around it. From all causes of tsunami, earthquake is the major cause. An earthquake on the bottom of the sea gives rise to an affection of the sea water that caused by the change of the profile of the ocean floor that generally occurs because of a tectonic earthquake and perpendicular vertical ground motion with the surface of the sea water or earth surface. If the movements of the ground are horizontal on the surface of the sea, there will not happen tsunami. Even though the movement of the ground is horizontal, but the energy of the earthquake is big and it can cause the collapse of cliffs or hail on the sea automatically, in which the movement is perpendicular to the surface of the sea. Although there is no earthquake that hits the land directly, which results vertical movement, the condition of a cliff and hill in the sea has been unstable, and because of the force of gravity and ocean currents that led to landslides, it causes tsunami. Well, earthquake causes perpendicular layers motion of earth. As a result, the sea bottom is suddenly up and down, so that the balance of seawater was disturbed on it. Similarly with cosmic objects or meteors that fall from above. If the size of a meteor or landslide is quite big, mega tsunami can happen with hundreds of meters high. And then vertical movement of the earth. Crust because of a volcanic eruption. An earthquake, the avalanche, or a meteor falling to earth can cause the sea floor becomes up or down suddenly, therefore it disturbs the balance of water on it. This makes the occurrence of energy flow of seawater on the beach become large waves so that tsunami happens. Billows can spread to all directions. Energy which consists in the wave of the tsunami is fixed on the function of the altitude. The height of waves in the sea is only about 1 meter. Thus, the rate of a wave cannot be felt by a ship that was in the middle of the sea. When it approached the coast, the speed of the tsunami of declined until about 30 miles per hour. But its height has increased to reach tens of meters. When it reaches the coast, tsunami enters the land until hundreds of meters, even kilometers. The victim of tsunami is not a little. The casualties are hit by sluggish water flow and material that carried away by the tsunami. Besides the victim, tsunami also has a negative impact on the building, herbs, pollution to agricultural land and water. Okay, that's all for me and goodbye.